For us in the wireless industry, we have to get creative and find ways to take cost out of our business at every turn to make it much more economical for us to service the needs of their customers. And the JBoss platforms allowed us to do that. As we embarked on this rather ambitious program here at Sprint, we set our sights on over 100 applications in the portfolio that ran on legacy and proprietary application server environments. We sketched out a 2-year program to bring in Red Hat Enterprise Linux and lay that down as the operating system foundation, to bring things over into a virtualized world and get us away from standalone hardware in our data centers, and to leverage the JBoss Enterprise application platform on top of that. A great benefit for us going through this program has been to take advantage of the opportunity to re-architect and re-platform a number of our critical systems. Many of these were on aging hardware or aging versions of the operating system. We're taking all of those applications with a focus on those that we call business and mission critical over to the JBoss platform. The program's driven a lot of innovation for us inside of these applications. My team is constantly bringing me these little additions to our core mission of moving off of the legacy hardware and the legacy platforms to fix some aspects of the applications while we're in under the hood. We also found that it fit all of our needs for applications as diverse as doing customer front-end interactions on the website or back-end provisioning type transactions that we have to do. So it was really scalable to meet all of our needs on large enterprise systems here. There was a substantial amount of training that we leveraged from Red Hat. There was a substantial amount of help from Red Hat Consulting inside of the Center of Excellence that we created around the JBoss migration process. And one of the really key aspects of this Center of Excellence was the way that they set up to mentor our application development teams. To provide a resource where they could get the really tough technical problems solved without floundering in the wilderness for it. There's actually a lot of excitement in the core application developer groups here at Sprint about being on an open source and evolving platform, and I think too over time about their ability to contribute to that platform through the open source community. I know at the end of the day what we'll be leaving behind when the program finishes is a large set of Sprint's mission-critical business applications that is much more sustainable than it was before we started. And we couldn't have done that without Red Hat and the support of the open source community on these platforms that we've chosen.